Yeah, good evening, everyone. We'll start the orientation session within a 5 minutes. I'll request everybody to join as soon as possible. We'll wait for another 5 minutes, then we'll start with the orientation session because I feel students are joining as of now. Yeah, we'll start with the orientation session. So, this orientation is on AICT internship. Topic is artificial intelligence with green technology, where in this orientation will explain you about the process and the benefit of this internship. So move on to the next slide, please. Yeah, so I'll just explain you about this coordination or the association. This is the Shell India Markets Private Limited. It's a joint initiative. This is the CSR initiative by Shell, and we are as a Edunet Foundation as an implementation partner, and AICT support of AICT. We just posted the internship on the portal, and their support to post this internship, and in this internship will give you the career advancement related to the artificial intelligence with the help of green technology. So during the internship you will get to know how we proceed further, the process, the timetable, and related to internship, what are the benefits will be taken by you. So just would like to explain about the Shell is a petrochemical and global energy company operating over 70s country with a workforce of more than 1 lakh employees, and Edunate is founded in 2015, and we primarily focus on youth skilling, innovation and entrepreneurship. EF, or we can say Internet Foundation, has the national wide footprint, work with private organization as well as government organization. We regulate regulators in state technical university, Raj network of engineering colleges and high schools around India. We target all kind of learners. We work with Microsoft, IBM, and uh, Directorate General of Training, Cognizant, Aditya Birla, AICT, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. These are the associate partners with us. We are working with them. And please move on to the next slide. Please play the video.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines cutting-edge technology with our urgent need to protect the environment. We're exploring how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our approach to environmental sustainability. From mitigating climate change to optimizing renewable energy, AI is offering innovative solutions to create a healthier planet. Stick around to learn how AI is leading the way in environmental sustainability. Let's start with one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. AI-powered climate models are revolutionizing how we predict and prepare for extreme weather events. These models analyze vast amounts of data from satellite images, weather forecasts, and historical patterns to provide accurate predictions. For instance, the IBM Environmental Intelligence Suite uses AI to forecast hurricanes, floods, and droughts. This enables governments and organizations to prepare and respond effectively, ensuring timely evacuations and resource allocation. AI also helps industries reduce their carbon footprints by optimizing energy use. Smart grids powered by AI balance energy supply and demand efficiently. Tools like the Sustainability Bot provide actionable insights and recommendations, helping companies achieve their environmental goals. Next, let's look at how AI is aiding conservation efforts. AI technologies are crucial for monitoring and protecting endangered species. Drones equipped with AI cameras can track wildlife movements and detect poaching activities. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data, providing conservationists with real-time insights. For example, AI systems monitor animal populations and detect changes in behavior or population size, alerting authorities to potential threats. In forest management, AI tools prevent illegal logging and help manage forest resources more effectively. By analyzing
Yeah, so this video is about environmental sustainability. So in this video, you have heard that how we can predict the future conditions of weather, and how we can prepare or do the data analysis on this, right? You have seen that flood had come to many states. So when we do the analysis in terms of the data, so we prepare ourselves before happening or any disaster happens, right? So it's how we can preserve the climate, or what are the conditions, how we can analyze the species around the earth, or whatever be the conditions related to that, we can do the analysis in prior. So when we talk about the environmental sustainability, how we can connect with the technology, and when we talk about the AI, so this is both the things come together and we do the analysis of it. So this is the thing where we discussed about the video. Now I'll come to the agenda, where we have the program overview, weekly timeline. We will discuss, or we will tell you about the master classes and mentorship sessions, how you have to do the project submission. We'll share the project list, and at finally you have to give the presentation of it. Once you will complete, once you will be onboarded, or you will do login in on LMS, you can download your offer letter. And once I'll explain you about the internship process flow, after completing that, you will get the certification of it. And definitely the major and important roles and responsibility of students during this session, internship, right? So next slide. Yeah, why there is a need of this internship? When we talk about the AI, artificial intelligence with green technology, why this subject has come up and why we have developed this internship. When we talk about three parameters, when we come to this point, AI opportunities, growing demand for green talent, and emerging rules. Now you have seen most of the industries, most of the organization from the diverse sectors, they are doing the data analysis, or they some other way, they are into the artificial intelligence. Lot of opportunities are coming up. So when there is a demand of AI in the market, so you have to upgrade your skills. Until and unless, how you will grab the opportunity. So now there is a boom of chat GPT, and you have seen vehicles have modified or upgraded to EVs. So we have to also upgrade in terms of skills. So when there is a demand of green skills or green talent, on the research we get to know that 22.4% will increase by the green jobs, or maybe 32 millions green jobs will be there by 2050. So you have to initially, when we are in the last year, as during the internship, you will get to know what kind of opportunities will be there, what kind of this roles, emerging roles will coming up. So when we talk about the roles, yes, we have green tech engineers, sustainability experts. As when you are coming from the engineering BCR BSc background, you have that technical knowledge, little bit of it. When we discuss about, or when we share our knowledge about the green technology, how we can merge this role, mix of environmental as well as technical, so it will help you out in doing or getting this job opportunities. So we have already discussed about the needs. When we talk about the internship details, why there is a aim of this internship too, because we know lot of opportunities are there in the market related to AI. So you have to skill up your skills. So there is a gap. Yeah, opportunities are there, but skills are not there. So we need to bridge this gap to provide you education on AI and green technologies, right? When we talk about the pedagogy, yes, you will get the hands-on experience on technical skills, and definitely mentorship will be there during your internship, and industry relevant knowledge will be given. Location, we invite, or we get the nominations from pan India on AICT portal, and we shortlist the students according to the criteria, and they will be the part of this internship. In terms of training delivery, it's completely virtual. So you will experts will deliver the sessions online, and we'll have the timings after your academic sessions, 5:30 to 7:30. So when we talk about the eligibility criteria for this internship, the students enrolled in engineering second year, third year, and fourth year. Streams we are talking about: computer engineering, IT, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, mechatronics, and data science. When we talk about the prerequisite, what we are looking for this internship, yeah, those who want to really pursue their career in green technology and artificial intelligence, Yes, that is a because a lot of opportunities is coming into the government sector too. When you browse the Niti Aayog and all, they are also focusing on green technology, how we can do the waste management, how we can preserve the planet as Earth. So there are a lot of things which are coming up. So definitely there are a lot of opportunity in government sector too. So this area of green technology is as important as artificial intelligence. So we want your commitment for 4 weeks. Besides your academic schedule, you have to give your 2 hours daily, not daily, but we will share the schedule with you. So according to that, you have to be present because attendance is mandatory. And basic thing that you should have your computer or laptop with internet connection. Either you can use your own laptop or you can use the lab of your institution. And as you are coming from the technical background, we expect that you should have some computer and programming skills, so which will be when they will explain you, so it will be easy for you to grab the things, right? When we talk about the key benefits, what are the benefits from this internship, right? So you will receive the joint certificate from Shell, AICT and Adnet Foundation. You will get the mentorship through our industry experts and constructive feedback. You will build your strong and industry relevant skill set in AI and green technology. You have to do the case study. You will have the weekly milestone that you need to submit. So this is all about the key benefits from this internship you will get. I'll just request my colleague Mahesh to take it forward. He will explain you related to the content part. So, yeah, Mahesh, please.
Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Hope so I'm audible to you all.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So students, actually, this internship where you will be developing two kinds of project, and there will be also two types of sessions where there will be one mentoring session and one master session. So the mentoring session where you will be actually implementing the project, and master session will be of a generalized session where you will be getting knowledge about different technologies which will be helpful in your future. So the project which you will be implementing, so you will be having 5 projects in this AICT internship, and you need to select at least one project. Okay, maximum one project only. You need to select only one project among those 5 projects, and you need to implement that project in a 3 weeks. Okay, so the, here you can see in 3 weeks you need to implement the project, and the final week, which is week 4, where you will be representing your project in front of industry expert or in front of experts. Okay, so the projects are divided into two part. First part is of AIML projects. There are 3 projects which are based on artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning, and 2 projects which are based on data analytics with the help of Power BI platform. So while developing the projects, you will be learning the technologies like green skilling, Python programming, machine learning, and Power BI. Although your machine learning and Python programming are already familiar with you, here you will be learning like how to implement your machine learning skill, or how to implement your NLP, computer vision skill, or AI skill against this green skilling. And the project is totally based on the green skilling only. So how you will be implementing your technical skill against this green skilling. So hope so you got the point, like what you need to do in this internship. So this is the timetable in front of you, where in week 0 we are at week 0, and today you can see it's 17 and we are doing the internship, right? In week 1 will be getting started from 20th of January, and it will be ended at 22 of January. And where in this week you will be having 2 sessions. One will be mentoring session and one will be master session. Okay. So in mentoring session, like I have already explained you, you will be implementing the project. And while implementing this project, if you are having some doubts related to the project, we have also kept one more session which is called as the Ask Me Anything session, where Generally, you can ask your doubts which are related to your project, and there will be one-to-one mentoring with our experts. So each project will be taken by our expert, and they will be guiding you, they will be mentoring you about how to implement this project. Okay, so this is how the timetable you can see for 4 weeks, where in 3 weeks we will be doing the project. And here, one more thing I want to rectify you, that every week we will be doing some kind of submissions. Okay. So whatever work you will be doing, like you have developed something in week one, so that you will be uploading on your GitHub account, and that GitHub link you will be giving to us. Okay, so how you will be giving this link to us with the help of one software which is called as a LMS. LMS is a learning management system which has been developed by us, and all the informations you will be getting from us, or whatever conversation we'll be doing with the help of LMS only. So hope so you have your LMS ID with you, like whatever registration mail you have used for registering to this AICT internship. You need to use same mail ID, and the password I think Nikita ma'am will be delivering to you in a few minutes. Okay, so how to log into the LMS, how to choose the project, then how to mark the attendance. All the questions will be clear in this orientation session by Nikita ma'am. So I will be explaining technical part to you. So now here you can see every week we will be doing some kind of submission. Like in week one, for an example, you have done the data import thing, importing data to the data frame. Then you have done some data processing, EDA process. Then that amount of work you need to upload on your GitHub account, and that GitHub link you will be giving uploading to LMS account. So the same activity you will be doing in week two, and in week three, what the you will be completing your all project. Okay, so here you will be submitting your project with one PPT, that the template will be shared with you, like how that PPT should be. Okay, so you will be submitting one PPT and your source code file on our LMS portal. So here you don't need to submit the link of GitHub. Okay, in week three, here you will be submitting your project file and your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so after evaluating this project, we'll be selecting top 60 projects. Okay, from the submission, whatever it has been done by the students, and we'll be making you to present your project in front of industry expert. Again, there will be one more presentation, which will be a final presentation where we'll be selecting top 40 projects. And according to that, we'll be giving you certificates. Okay. So already the criteria for certificate was being told by Nikita ma'am. So here you can see the timetable for week one, week two, and week three. So these all timetables will be shared with you on your WhatsApp group, on a Telegram group, or on LMS also. So don't worry at all. All the things will be shared with you. So this is how the week-wise timetable you can see with every project. When will be your mentoring session? What is the timing of that mentoring session? So according to the projects, you will be getting that thing. Okay. So, like I have already explained to you, the internship is divided into master class and mentoring class. Okay, mentoring sessions, where in mentoring sessions you will be having general things, like you will be having knowledge which will be required for your future scope. Okay, of the project. And sorry, that will be the master class. And mentoring, where you will be implementing your actual project. Okay, in master class you will be having generalization which you will be using for your future scope. Okay, so this internship is divided into 4 week that I have already explained to you. In fourth week, we'll be doing mock presentation, and in 3 weeks, we'll be implementing the projects. So now let us talk about the project. Okay, so here you can see we are having 5 projects. Okay, let us talk about it. So the first project is of Power BI, which has been which is a business intelligence tools, and which is been used for data analysis. Okay, So here you can see it is a analysis of Indian agriculture sector. Okay. The second project here you can see it is a supply chain performance. We are doing analysis for that. The third project is of solar power uh, output. Okay. And we are predicting some output, like how this solar panel will be giving output. We will be forecasting that. Okay, with the help of machine learning code, with the help of linear regression algorithm. Then the fourth project you can see here, which is to classify the waste management. We are doing waste management with the help of computer vision, and how we will be doing with the help of CNN. Okay. And the fifth project here you can see we are again doing the recommendation. We are again predicting something for our agriculture, where we are predicting, we are recommending to our farmers like which crop and what fertilizer we should use, and with the help of machine learning. Okay, so this type of green skilling projects we are having with us, and we will be implementing our technical skill against this type of projects, and we will be implementing this project in 3 weeks. Okay, hope so you got it till here. Okay, so if you are not having Telegram link, Nikita ma'am will be sharing that Telegram link. If you are not having WhatsApp link, that also link will be shared by Nikita ma'am. So don't worry at all. If you are not there in the WhatsApp or Telegram, we will be helping you to get in that. And whatever LMS account. Now we'll be talking about LMS in few minutes. Before that, let me explain all the concepts and what will be the project. Things we will be doing. Okay. So, like I have already explained you what we will be doing in fourth week. So almost the eligibility criteria for getting into this fourth week is almost you should eligible for 70% attendance. Okay. You should have 70% attendance throughout this internship. Then and only you will be eligible for fourth week or final presentation or mock presentation. The second criteria is you should be submitting your project every week. Okay, so we are having three submissions for each 3 weeks, and you should submit your project for 3 weeks. Then and only you will be eligible for fourth week. Then we'll be, after getting submission from your side, we'll be selecting top 60 projects from that, and we'll be telling you to represent those your project in front of industry experts or the professionals. Okay. Again, we'll be choosing 40 projects from that 60 projects, and this will be the top 40 projects in this internship cycle, and where we'll be giving certificate to them according to their reasons. Okay, so this is all about the fourth week process. So from here, I think Nikita ma'am, you can take it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Mahesh. So regarding the offer letter, when you log in onto the LMS, I'll give you the demo how to do the process. So once you will do the project selection, because there's 5 projects are there, 2 from Power BI and 3 for AIML. So you will get the co-branded offer letter provided by the EduNet and AICT to the registered students, and your AICT internship ID and student ID will be mentioned over the offer letter. It is totally based on the project selection you do, and this is keep in mind that this offer letter is not your completion certificate. This is the offer letter. It explains that you will be part of this internship, rather than it's a request that most of the students have asked me that we can post on LinkedIn, because offer letter is not your completion certificate that you have completed the internship. So my request is that you should not upload this on LinkedIn. Once you complete your internship, when you will receive the certificates, then you can upload on the LinkedIn, right? So once you will select your project or domains related to Power BI or AIML, once offer letter is issued through LMS, you cannot change. I don't because I am not in a condition to entertain your request that we need to change my project, because it's all on LMS system. We cannot help, right? So once you have selected the project, you have to be with that only. So you have to select the final project report and the PPT. And as Mahesh said, that you have to complete your milestone every week. All the case study will be given to you. Mentors will help you, will give you the feedback how to do the process. So so you have to submit, because deadline is already will be given to you, that in this week you have to submit, this is the deadline. And after that, because it's all on LMS, once deadline is finished, we cannot help you to reopen to this upload this weekly milestone or projects. Yeah, please next. So this is the internship process flow, that you have already been registered on AICT portal. I received the data from AICT and shortlisted on the basis of the criteria. Today is our orientation session, so in that you will get the knowledge about the process, timetable, and the benefit. Once you will do with this process, I'll share the LMS demo. You have to log in with your email account. I'll give you the password. Once it is done, you will select the project on LMS, and we will do the batch creation according to your project selection. We will create the batches accordingly. We'll share the WhatsApp group. You have to join as per your project selections. We will assign your master trainers when session will be aligned every day. Mentors will be there, so we will assign them. And after that, once you will select your project, you can download your offer letter. Once session will start, you have the project sessions and interactions with the mentors. They will explain you what you do, how to do, and how to submit your weekly milestone. Once when we complete our weekly milestone, you have to submit the final project on LMS. Once you will submit, it is mandatory. And your attendance, because certification will get only to those candidates who will submit their weekly milestone. Attendance is 70%, then only you will receive the certificates. So once you will complete all the processes, project submission, then you have to, as Mahesh explained, that you have to top 60 will give the presentation, and from that we will select the top 40 students from the final presentations. Yeah, this is the process flow. Now we move on to the next slide. Yeah, so this is the main and important part of this internship. So you have to be cautious, that you have to do your projects submission on timely basis, because once LMS, we close the LMS, we cannot reopen. So within the timing deadline, you have to submit your weekly milestone and final project submission. Your honest feedback is really important to us, because whatever be the feedback we will receive from you, we will inculcate on LMS, related to LMS, or whatever be the feedback given by you, we will take ownership for that. Yeah, improper and irrelevant behavior discussion messages on any platform of WhatsApp or Telegram group will not be acceptable, because organization has full authority to remove these candidates from the internship. We want full discipline within the groups. And I also wrote in Telegram group that please maintain the decorum of the group, because it's completely official, and only from my side all the communication will be shared to you. So yes, for this internship, your device, your laptop, or maybe use your labs for this internship, good internet connection should be there. And you should have, because our sessions will be on MS Teams and Zoom, so kindly download that, so no delay in joining the sessions. I'll always inform in each and every group in the morning with the session links and before the session starts. So you have to be aware that, yeah, I'm sending the notification, you have to join on time. Attendance is mandatory, 70%. And obviously when the session will start, as session we kept the session after your academic schedule, so 5:30 to 7:30 in the evening. And I'll share this timetable on our Telegram group, so you should aware about your timings. And obviously your active participation is really appreciable and important. If you have any doubts related to the project, definitely you can contact your mentors. But yeah, in terms of LMS or in terms of program management, you can approach me any point of time. Yes, your time commitment is important. You have to give your 40 hours in next 40 weeks. You have to work on the projects and submit on time. Weekly milestone, definitely you have to ensure that everything should be complete on time. And you have to mark your attendance on LMS after the session. If any queries come up related to LMS, yes, definitely you can contact me. But after the session completed, it's a 24-hour window. Once on the session, window will open at 5:30, and from the next day, you are not allowed to mark your attendance. So please, you have to be aware. After that, I'll not entertain any of the queries related to the attendance. Yeah, please, next slide. Yeah, so I'll share this attendance link in the group, in the chat, right? And obviously, you have to, while registering, you need to take care on LMS that your project selection form will be there. You have to, it is mandatory that you have to select your project. During your internship, use one single email ID, because you have to mark your attendance there. We can track your performance, and you have to download your certificate there itself. And whatever be the data I have received from AICT, there might be some changes, so you have liberty on elements to change, right, your state name. So one is there, my profile, where you can change your credentials, and you can write the basic, whatever be the correct things, you can change over there. So your engagement will be on 20th Jan. Sorry, I have not changed it over here. So your mentoring sessions will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and will shift in case of holidays. If there are some changes, we'll let you know. Yeah. So I'm done with the presentation. I'll share both the links with you. And I want Mahesh, I'll just stop sharing. I'll just share, give you the demo related to this LMS. Give me a second, please. I'll share my screen. Hope you can see my screen.
Yes, Nikita ma'am.
This is the LMS. I'll share the credentials in the chat window. This is the dummy email ID. I have put password as test at the rate 1234, and this is the capita. And I'll just log in. So this is the dashboard, right? We'll share the schedule over here. Even I'll upload the LMS process document also. You will get the data set over here. We will upload the data set, so you can use that data set throughout your internship. So here you have to select your project, right? Here, I think this is a dummy. So AIML, here you will have the tab of AIML and Power BI. So your project will be given here. So for AIML, so you have to select one project. When you select here Power BI, two projects will come up. Then you have to select one. Because it's already been selected, so it's freezed. Once you will select, it will be get freeze this screen. You cannot do any changes, right? So again, once you will select, this project has been selected, you can click on download. Your offer letter will be downloaded. You will get all the session recordings over here. Whatever be the sessions we are doing on every week, we will upload the session recordings, right? This is the mandatory part, that self attendance. Today's 17th date. You will get one window over here, mark me as present, right, on each day, because this is not scheduled on the LMS for the orientation session, so you cannot see that. Once you will log in, when we will have session on 20, you will see one tab here, mark me as present. You have to click on that, and A will become free. A means absent. When you click on that, it will be as P, right? I think it is easy for you, and we'll give all the details over here. When we talk about assessment, you will have here week 1, week 2. So we'll assign week 1, where GitHub, you have to upload your GitHub link for week 1 and week 2. Once you will do the project selection and you will complete your milestone, one window will open over here for final project submission. So when you click on final project submission, you will have two tabs, right? One is for source code and another one is for project PPT submission. Then you have to upload both the things and submit. So this is related to, for this you have to, I'll share all the details on, I think I'll just stop sharing, and I'll share all the details in the chat window. Any queries or anything you can put up on the chat, so I'll take that up. This is the Telegram group I have shared. I'll share regarding the skills for future dot in, where you will get the details. You can log in with your login credentials, will be your email ID, register email ID on AICTE. I'm writing email ID, and password will be TESTT capital and 1234. I'll put uh, I'll just request Mahesh to put that attendance link also. If you can share with me, it will be easy for me to drop down in the chat window.
Okay, Nikita.
LMS link is skills for future dot in. When you log in here, this is the LMS. This is the LMS link only. Hope you can understand this. LMS is nothing. This is a skills for future.in. You have to log in. This is the only LMS. When you log in, all the credentials will be there. So I have already shared in the chat window skills for future.in. So when you log in, you have to register with your AICT email ID with the password as T capital TEST at the rate 1234. Yeah, I'll share the attendance link in a meanwhile. Give me a second, please.
Nikita ma'am, it is shared with you. It has
Yes,
been shared
thanks
with
a lot. Yeah, thanks a lot. I'm just sharing this in the chat window. This is the attendance link I'm sharing. Any queries or some, if you want to put, you can put it on the chat window. LMS link is skills for future.in. No, certificate will be received those who complete the 70% of attendance as well as project submission. All will get the attendance is mandatory. Uh, it is not mandatory to join Telegram as well as WhatsApp, but for the communication, if you missed communication on Telegram, you can have the WhatsApp. So I request to be part of both the groups, that communication should be easy and you get all the updates on timely basis. Offer letter you can download once. You will just, if you are logging right now or after some time, after half an hours, when you log in, you can select your project either from Power BI or AIML. Then once you will select your project, you will get uh, offer letter there itself. You can download in the next window, and you can see one sec. I'll just reshare my screen. Give me a moment, please. I'll just reshare my screen related to where you have to. I think, yeah, you can see my screen, right? Here, please, I want my profile is given. You have to update your profile from here. It is not working in this because this is a dummy account. Yeah, it's working. So it is something is mandatory AICT registration, which is has been saved. Other things you can change. In this form it is mandatory, but in your form it is not mandatory. You can change your email ID and rest of the things, mobile and whatever, with the college name and all, and you can submit, because whatever be the information you are giving or updating over here will reflect on your certificates. So keep in mind, whatever be the information, you can check once in your profile. I keep on posting the things on the groups, so please aware and please do the needful on timely basis. I think I'm done with the orientation. I think I have solved most of the queries. You can select project by 20, and once 20, you will be starting with your batches. Before that, I'll create the WhatsApp group as per your selection, project selection. So till 20th morning, you can select your project, you can log in. If you find any challenges, now WhatsApp group has not been created, I'll share the WhatsApp group links on your Telegram. Right, I have already shared the Telegram group link, and I'm done with the orientation. So thank you, and I'll share the WhatsApp group link maybe by tomorrow. Yeah, Mahesh, I'm done with the session.
Okay, Nikita. So I'm concluding this session. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you all the students joining for the orientation session. Definitely we'll meet you on 20th with the virtual session. Mentors will be there. I'll share the meeting links prior in the morning. So please join, and yes, best of luck for the internship.